అన్ని అంశాలు కూడా చాలా క్షుణ్ణంగా నోట్ చేసుకుంటా ఉన్నారు. Sir, if he wants to play to the gallery, if he wants to please people, if he wants to please media, he's welcome, sir. He's a learned man, a senior legislator. If he only wants to play to the gallery and if he only wants to create a statement, he wants to make a statement, he's more than welcome, sir. He has every right like any other member. But to say that the government is not serious, to say that some legislators are laughing, and to say that somebody is monitoring us, sir, we are senior legislators here. We are in a responsible position running the government, sir. We are far more serious, and therefore in the statement that was given in the morning, my learned friend should know, the government has not only come forward with a positive intent to give retrospective coverage to every single suicide that has happened since June 2, 2014. We have also clearly said in our statement, sir, చాలా స్పష్టంగా వారికి చెప్పాం, ఒకటేసారి రుణమాఫీ చేయడానికి కూడా సానుభూతితో పరిశీలిస్తామని చెప్పిన తర్వాత దానికి ఇన్ని రకాలుగా సార్ వారికి ఏమైనా చెప్పదలుచుకుంటే ఆయన పెద్ద గొంతు వేసుకుని మాట్లాడినంత మాత్రాన అదేదో గొప్ప విషయం అన్నట్టు విషయం స్ట్రైట్గా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు సార్. ये सब की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अगर कुछ पॉइंट बनाना चाहते हो, बोलना चाहते हो, सीधा सीधा बोलो. उसमें किसी और पे कमेंट करने की क्या जरूरत है? सुबह जीवन रेड्डी साहब बात करे, दयाकर साहब बात करे, लक्ष्मण साहब बात करे, सारे ही लोग बात करे. आप भी वही कह रहे हो जो लोग ने कहा है, आप दोहरा रहे हो बात, वही सेम बात. गवर्नमेंट सीरियस है, इसलिए आप देख रहे हो इतने सारे लोग आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं. मैं आपसे गुजारिश करता हूं, जो भी आप पेश करना चाहते हैं, जो भी आप हाउस के सामने रखना चाहते हैं, सीधा सीधा करें. आप सुबह भी एक मुद्दा उठा दिए, उस पर भी सीएम साहब रिस्पॉन्ड करें. We are treating you with utmost respect. Please also pay us back in the same coin. Please also, sir, you have the same right. Mr. Owaisi, you have the same right as every other member. You do not enjoy special privileges here. You please make note of that. आप सुबह मुद्दा उठाए, हम जवाब भी दिए सरकार की तरफ से, अभी भी हम यही चाहते हैं. Please do not play to the gallery. Please make a silence. मैं सीधी बात बोल रहा हूं ओवैसी साहब, अगर आप इज्जत देंगे तो जरूर इज्जत वापस मिलेगा. अब अगर गैर जिम्मेदारी अगर आप एक्यूजेशन लगाएंगे, सरकार बिल्कुल चुप नहीं बैठेगी. गैर जिम्मेदारी एक्यूजेशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप जो पॉइंट कहना चाहते हैं सीधा कहिए. आप जो पॉइंट कहना चाहते हैं सीधा कहिए, सरकार रिस्पॉन्ड करेगी. खाली पीली गैर जिम्मेदारी बातें करने की क्या जरूरत है? यहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत सीरियस है, इसलिए यहाँ बैठते हैं. If he wants to play to the gallery, let him, sir. We don't have a problem.
Please silence. Please silence.
Honorable Speaker Sahab,
బాగా జరుగుతున్నది, గౌరవంగా జరుపుకుందాం, ప్రశాంతంగా సహకరించండి.
I thank a responsible minister for intervening in my speech.
Please.
When all the other leaders were speaking, the government never intervened. And again they say that I am repeating what has been said. अफसोस तो यही है ना साहब, इतने सब लोग बोल रहे हैं मगर कान पे इनके जूं तक नहीं रेंगती. यही है साहब कि we all are saying, and I have a strong objection to this. What does the honorable minister means? कि सीधा सीधा बोलिए. मैं टेढ़ा बोल रहा हूं. सीधे का मतलब क्या है? सर, Honorable Speaker, sir, you are on the chair, you are the Speaker, you are the custodian of this House. Minister cannot say this, कि सीधा सीधा बोलो. How can he say that सीधा सीधा? मैं अगर टेढ़ा बोल रहा हूं, क्या टेढ़ा बोल रहा हूं बताइए. अगर सीधा सीधा बोलना है तो अपने पार्टी के लोगों को बोल लो. तुम्हारे हम जो है सो सीधी उल्टी बात सुनने के नहीं है. आप अपना बोल लो अपने पार्टी के लोगों को. और मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या मतलब है सीधा सीधा? सर, आई हैव द राइट टू पुट अक्रॉस. सर,
स्पीकर सर,
माय हार्ट इज पेनिंग.
स्पीकर सर, స్పీకర్ సార్, గౌరవ సభ్యులు సార్, స్పీకర్ సార్, గౌరవ సభ్యులు ఎంతైతే సీరియస్గా ఈ అంశాన్ని లేవనెత్తుతా ఉన్నారో, ప్రభుత్వం అంతకంటే సీరియస్గా ఉందని చెప్పడానికి, దాంతో పాటు వారు ఏమన్నారు అధ్యక్ష, నేను మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఇతరులు మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఏదో బాద్షా కథ చెప్పారు, ఓకే సంతోషం, వారేదో ఇంకా చాలా రకాలుగా వారి పాయింట్ చెప్తా ఉన్నారు, మాకు ఇబ్బంది లేదు. వారు చెప్పిన సీరియస్ అంశాన్ని ప్రతిదాన్ని నోట్ చేసుకుంటాం, తప్పకుండా రిప్లైలో ప్రభుత్వం సమాధానం చెప్తుంది. కాకపోతే why does he have to cast aspersions on the treasury benches అధ్యక్ష? ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్న వాళ్ళు నవ్వుతున్నారని, సీరియస్గా లేరని మీడియా గమనిస్తోందని, ఇదే నేనేమంటా ఉన్నా అధ్యక్ష, ఈ రకమైన మాటలు మాట్లాడినప్పుడు తప్పకుండా నేరుగా సబ్జెక్ట్లోకి రండి. విషయం మీద మాట్లాడండి అని చెప్పడానికి मैं क्या बोला साहब आपको? मैं बोला आप सीधे सब्जेक्ट पे बात करो, खाली पीली इधर उधर दिखा के इन्हों हंस रहे हैं उन्हें हंस रहे हैं बोलने क्या जरूरत है इसमें? हम लोग सीरियस हैं इसलिए तो बैठ के आप सबको सुन रहे हैं. हम लोग बहुत ही सीरियस हैं. एवरी सिंगल पॉइंट यू आर रेजिंग इज बीइंग नोटेड एंड द गवर्नमेंट थ्रू ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर एग्रीकल्चर विल रिस्पॉन्ड. That's all I meant. You don't have to cast aspersions on us, and neither do you have to get a response like this. It's unfortunate that in a civil debate like this, where we've had the main opposition, the Telugu Desam, YSRCP, BJP, everybody speak, none of the ministers raised and took an objection. But it's unfortunate because you had to cast aspersions and then we have to respond. हम लोग तो चुप बैठ के यहाँ सुनेंगे नहीं ना. आप हमारे मेंबर्स को बोलेंगे, ट्रेजरी बेंचेस को बोलेंगे, गवर्नमेंट को यही बोलेंगे. आप बोले साहब इसलिए रिस्पॉन्ड करना पड़ा. मजबूर करें आप हमको रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए. हम किसी और के इसमें तो एतराज नहीं करें. So unfortunately, sir, let the member, honorable member, my learned friend realize, sir, that the government is extremely serious. Otherwise, we wouldn't have so many ministers sitting here and responding, sir. Let him take note of that. Let him take cognizance of the fact. Once again, I reiterate, sir, let him take cognizance of the fact that the government has proactively come forward, not just for a one-time, for considering one-time settlement of loan. We have also come forward and we've expressed in our statement, through our statement, that we will be covering all farmers from June 2nd, 2014. Sir, let my learned friend realize that.
I request the members to confine to the subject and address to the chair. Please,
Honorable
please,
Speaker,
no
sir.
further discussions. Please continue.
I am very serious with all my discussions, sir.
You are serious.
I come
That's
to
why
this house
everybody
very
is
prepared.
keen.
And at the same time,
Please.
I also want to lodge my strong protest on the words used by the Honorable Minister stating that I'm playing to the galleries. No. No. You shouldn't be saying this. You're an educated man, learned man, USA returned. Such words do not suit your stature. It is so sad. I am not playing to the media, nor I'm playing to anybody. I'm screaming, I'm shouting, and I'm crying, putting across my thoughts, my pain for the farmers who are committing suicide. Let me make it very clear. And saying that कि आप सीधा जाइए, साहब हम बहुत सीधा जाते हैं और हमारे सीधे रास्ते में अगर कोई आता है तो रौंदते हुए भी हम चले जाते हैं. टेढ़ा जाना हमारी आदत नहीं है. बोलना कुछ, करना कुछ, कानों को खुश करना, हथेली में जन्नत दिखाना, झूठे वादे करके चले जाना, ये हम नहीं है. इस वास्ते हम हमारे लोगों के दिलों पे 50 साल से जायद से उनके दिलों पे हुकूमत कर रहे हैं और बार बार जीत कर आ रहे हैं. बार बार जीत कर आए. अगर हम टेढ़े रास्ते पे चलने वाले होते तो बार बार नहीं आते.
Please come to the point.
And going on, sir. So the TRS government has promised for loan waiver for the farmers in its manifesto of 2014 elections. Sir, before going on this, sir, I would like to clarify and say that I wouldn't have said, sir. But Honorable Minister Saab had said, so I am forced to say, कि morning में भी आप ऐसा करें. Morning में मैं करा. Sir, my question to Honorable Speaker, to you is, sir, as my custodian, sir, I am just requesting you to come for my rescue, sir. Sir, it was said that in Business Advisory Committee, adjournment motion will not be taken. And I said, no, it is wrong. Postponement of question hour was there. I want to ask, sir, when I went and gave my adjournment motion, why was my adjournment motion accepted and this receipt was given to me? Why was this given to me? You should have, in first instance, not accepted this. When the Speaker and the Chair accepted my adjournment motion, it is the responsibility of the Chair to whether allow or disallow and read my adjournment motion. Why was that not given, sir? No, I want to speak on subject, sir. I was quiet. Your minister Saab told I have to clarify. I was generous. I was quiet. I never said this. ये रिसीव देने के बाद एडजमेंट मोशन क्यों नहीं पड़े, सर? सब आपको इख्तियार है. आप डिसअलाउ कर सकते हैं, आप अलाउ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन पढ़ना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है साहब. स्पीकर साहब, आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, क्योंकि आप एक्सेप्ट करें ये रिसीप्ट से. सर यू आर मोर सीनियर टू मी, मिस्टर जाना रेड्डी साहब. इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, प्लीज टेल. नो, अकबर साहब, यू आर रॉन्ग. when they have accepted the adjournment motion, they will not read the adjournment motion. Please tell, sir. You tell me, sir, is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong?
Akbaruddin ji,
Then,
see, the discussion
अरे आप रूल्स को आप ऐसा कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, इसलिए बोलना पड़ा. कोई जवाब है तो दीजिए ना. Adjournment motion क्यों लिए? Why not the legislature affairs minister get up and say that yes, this is wrong, we should not have accepted this?